So, kumusta po kayong lahat? And here I am again, si Real Talk. Kasi nag-comment si Nico David and we're gonna look at it. Sandali lang, isi-share screen ko. Okay. Yan. Okay. So, itong sabi ni Nico David, my private life po ang mag-ina ko, not subjected sa public life ko sa social media. Mali po yan line of argumentation nyo. Kasi hindi niyo naman alam nangyari sa amin behind the scenes. Okay? So, yun yung sabi ni Nico David. Okay? Pero, if you look at the video, yung video ko, okay, I started doon sa sinasabi niya na doon sa sabi niya na let's make na kay Makagago na you can have it doon sa fatherhood. Pero when it comes to cheating,
di ba? Pakinggan yung maigi. Ulitin nyo ng isa pa. Hindi ba yun din yun? And then I am supposed to believe that this person has repented. Yung pa rin yung issue mo sa akin for the past 6 years of my existence dito sa social media. Kada na lang magko-content ka against sa akin, you bring this up. Why? Anong nagawang mali ng mag-ina ko sa'yo, pare? Anong nagawang mali ng asawa ko sa'yo or nanay ng anak ko?
Okay, statistically, ang babae ang nangiiwan sa lalaki. Once again, statistically, ang babae ang nangiiwan sa lalaki. Okay? Pero when it comes to cheating, men cheat more.
Na iniwan ako or something like this. Alam mo ba yung detalye ng storya niyan? Para ikwento mo? Na parang alam na alam mo? Hindi kasi yan din yung ginagawa mo sa kanya, ha? No? Ang ginagawa ko sa'yo is yung mga publicly posted mong ginagawa. Actually, alam ko nga yung mga sinabi ng asawa mo sa akin in the past recent times sa comment section, yung nag-livestream kayo sa Japan. Narinig ko lahat yun, tol. Pero nakita mo ba na sinasama ko siya dito sa debunk na to? Di ba hindi? Yung mga anak mo din, hindi ko rin dinadamay. Yung magulang mo, hindi rin. Wala sa family mo ang dinamay ko ever. Pero ikaw, sa ginagawa mong yan, parati mong dinadama yung mag-iina kong nananahimik na sa pribadong buhay nila. Why? What's the point of that? Just to make you look like you're a better father than me? Eh di sa'yo na yun.
Ito, like, ayan o. This is my whole point, kaya ako ginawa yung video. Kasi sasabi niyang, you want to be a better father than me? You can have it. Sabi niya, oh. Instead na isipin niya na I want to become a better father, binibigay niya na lang yung title niya as a father. You know what I'm saying? I mean, if you've never said this, Nico David, there is nothing for me to say. Kasi ang starting point ko talaga ito eh. Yung sinabi mo dito.
Point of that? Just to make you look like you're a better father than me? Eh di sa'yo na yun.
Yan ang starting point ko eh. sa argument ko. Tsaka ano, eh, hindi ko naman inaatake ang family mo, eh. Like ang sinasabihan ko dito is ikaw, you know, yung anak mo who I've never seen before, hindi ko inaatake, and yung asawa mo, if you guys are married, hindi ko naman alam kung kasal ba kayo o hindi ko naman inaatake. Ang inaatake ko is yung sabi mo na sa'yo na yun. Kasi later, sasabihin mo na, mahal ko sila eh, pero bakit mo ginagawa to? Bakit mo binibigay yung fatherhood mo? Parang wala lang sa'yo. Okay? When your mindset should be, I wanna become better. You know, there's things in life that I messed up, but I wanna become better. Hindi yung bibigyan mo na, sa'yo na yun. You know? And throughout the video, sinasabi ko lang naman sa'yo how noble it is to be a father. Okay? Tsaka yung the effects of children without a father. I mean, yung choices mo, sa'yo yun eh. Like, you make the choices. Kaya nga, yung title ng video na to, na you are free to choose, but you are not free to escape the consequence of your choices. You know? I mean, choice mo to eh. Pero when the data say something bad about your choices, like, don't get mad at me. You know? Kasi nga, you know, a lot of people think pag gumagawa sila ng choice, like they only think of the things that they will gain. They mostly think of the gains. They do not think of what they will lose. Because when you make a choice, you lose something and you gain something. And sometimes, okay, the loss is bigger than the gain. But people don't really think about the loss. They only think about the gain a lot of times. Okay? Which is, ulit nga, you are free to choose. Okay? You are free. Kung yun ang choice mo, dati pa, okay lang. That's your choice. That's between you and your wife. Okay? O yung nanay ng anak mo. But you are not free from the consequence of your action. Yun lang naman yung sinasabi ko sa video. So, yun lang. Very simple yung video na yun. Okay? So, once again, simpleng-simple lang ito. Ang starting point ko sa pag-argue kay Nico David is yung sa sinabi niya na you can have it. Okay? as a father, you shouldn't be throwing away your fatherhood. Dapat sa isip mo is, I want to become better, or you should have never said that. Yun ang starting point ko. And yun na. Like I just said, yung mga concept, yung effects, how it is to be a father, katulad na sa akin, and nakikita akong mga sa research ko. Okay? So, yun lang naman eh. Yun lang yun. It's very simple. So, yun lang naman po. Hopefully, everybody have a good day and peace out.